Kuvvetken mehmonxonaninki xo'jayinlari bilan boshliqlari bilan paranglish orqali bu to'xtamni tuzgan. Hozir bu mehmonxonadan telefon kelibdi menga. Umid efendim, men Salih Hudayar ismli bir odam men bilan ko'rishdi. Bu yig'inda seninki huquqingni ilib etganligini, Sharq Turkiston sürgün dokumentiniki seninki saylam tayyorlik komiteti huquqingdan ilib etganligini ve senin bu hukukta emasligingni menga qog'ozlar bilan, qarorlar bilan ko'rsatib, shu yig'in zal mehmonxonalarniki to'xtamini cancel qilishimni, ya'ni cancel degan gap iptal yo'q qilishimni talab qilyotdi. Men nima deyishimni bilmadim, men qandaq qilaman deb telefon qildi. Men dedim, Salih Hudayarning bunda qildigan hech qanday huquqi yo'q. Salih Hudayar bu qurultayninki tayyorlik komitetining raisi emas. To'xtamni men tuzgan bo'lgandan keyin sen xotirjam shu to'xtam bilan menga bergin. Salih Hudayarning har qanday gapi bo'lsa, men bilan aloqalashsin, sen shu Salih Hudayarga shunday deb qo'ygin. Dedim, Salih Hudayar, agar sizlarning mehmonxona shu Umid Uyg'ur bilan tuzgan to'xtamni bekor qilmasa, men sizlarning mehmonxonalarni arz qilmay, bu degan gaplar bilan tahdid ishlatibdi. Va bu to'xtamni yo'q qilib o'tinglar deb ashagicha beribdi shu mehmonxonaga. Qarindoshlar, endi niyat maqsadi aniq qilyotdi bularningki. Men to'xtamni men tuzishim kerak. Umid Uyg'urning hech qanday huquqi yo'q deb men tuzib bo'lgan to'xtamni yo'q qilishga urinib o'tibdi qarindoshlar. Buni sizlarga bildirib qo'yay. Ma shamandichilikni, ma hukumatning ishidagi ishlarni shu bir mehmonxonalargacha berib shunday shamandichiliklarni qilib o'tibdi qarindoshlar. Buningga biz to'xta deyishimiz kerak, bu shamandichilik.
Sweet Arlington, good morning. This is Lily. How may I help you?
Good morning. This is Salih. How are you doing today?
Salih, good morning. Very good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. So our office leadership, they talked to Umut, but they were a bit puzzled because Umut told them that I threatened you with a lawsuit. I don't remember.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't recall.
No, my gosh, I did not say that, Salih.
Yeah, that's what Umut said. So, like, did I threaten
No.
you or Umut in any way with a lawsuit?
No,
Or
you did not.
or to take y'all to court or anything?
No, definitely not.
Okay.
Definitely not. You
Okay.
wanted to talk to Umid?
Yeah, if you, I mean, if because Umut, you know, he's been telling our leadership that I went over there and I threatened to put you to take Homewood Suites, you know, to sue Homewood Suites or take y'all to court or
No.
something like that.
No, you did not. No, you did not, and I will attest to that. What I did tell Umid, and which I also shared with you, was the documents that you showed me that removing him, that's what I shared with him. So I wanted to understand if he was pulling out his contract. And there was, and you know, I was truthful that you were here. You gave me the document,
Yes.
removing him, right? And then that, and then if what the current status was with the booking, that's all I said. I did not say anything about you threatening the hotel or me or taking us to court.
Okay, thank
did
you.
not. Yep. You're welcome.
We still want to continue at this hotel, so if you could just give us some time to sort this out, we definitely want to keep you know, the reservation at this hotel.
Wonderful. That's good to hear, Salih. So yeah. So for now, Umid is still pursuing. He's not retracting his contract. So of course, I cannot also renege on that. I would have to honor his contract because it's already both a signed contract from both parties. So, like you said, you still need to sort this out. Let me know what the update will be, okay?
Perfect. Give us a few hours and I'll have this sorted out. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.